Hi guys, today we will talk about how to find the reviews on your Alibaba app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go out down here, you click here on my Alibaba here on down, then it's going to take here in this window, it's going to show for you like this. And all you have to do now, so you just go down here and you just come here to my reviews, you will click here, then it's going to take here in this window, just waiting to show for you like this. And here you will find all reviews you have all reviewed here. So I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it here in this window. And the only you can find here to be reviewed, you will click here, and here it's going to show for you to be reviewed you have. I have nothing here also too. So if you have it, you will find it here in this window. So I wish you know you I get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.